Hi friends, you will be watching how to make a beautiful flower wall hanging with different kinds of flowers and a butterfly. Materials required: color papers for making flowers, green color paper for leaves, A4 white papers for making frames, white glue, scissors and thread. For making a frame, take an A4 paper, place a pencil diagonally in one corner of the paper and roll it along to the paper till the other corner. Then apply glue in the corner and rotate it and you will get sticks. Make 5 sticks like this. Then flatten the stick and then cut the edges for 4 sticks. The 5th stick should not be cut as it is to be placed diagonally. Make thinner sticks for supporting flowers. I have made 2 frames for making 2 wall hangings. For leaves, 3 kinds: plain leaves, fan folding leaves and fan folding heart shaped leaves. If you cut a circle and fan fold it, it's a fan folding heart, and this one is a fan folding leaf. For making circular flowers, take any color paper, cut 8 circles with 2 cm radius, staple all the bunch in the center, slit the edges and then crush each layer. You will get a beautiful marigold flower. Stick these flowers with the 2 leaves. For making roses, follow my tutorial in the YouTube. I have given the link in the description below. You can make different colors roses. For small flowers, you have to just make with 2 layers and you have to stick the heart-shaped leaves. For making white flowers, take a square paper of side 4 cm, fold it into half, again fold it into quarter, then fold it into triangle. Follow the step 4. Place a dot above the center and draw 2 curved lines towards the corners, and then 2 layers should be kept one over the other. Make 2 sets of white flowers and then make 6 lavender color papers and 5 sets of pink color flowers. If you cut the edges in a curve, you will get the curved petal. Make the flowers and keep the layers one over other. For making the butterfly, for the top pair of wings, take a rectangular paper of 5 cm into 6 cm, fan fold it and fold it in the center. Bottom pair of wings, cut a circle with 2 cm radius, fan fold it and fold it in the center. Attach both pairs of wings and then you have to attach the body of the butterfly. Keep ready all the flowers, leaves and the butterflies beforehand. Now take the frame and tie the thread on top to enable hanging. Try arranging the flowers on the frame before gluing it on the frame. Make different trials in your own imagination. This I have made as a wall hanging. I have attached all the flowers to the frame and you will get a beautiful flower wall hanging. Thanks for watching.